Hey everyone, welcome back to Soulful Summit. I'm Grace and I'm so excited to have you here today. If you're new to the channel, Soulful Summit is all about exploring introspective and motivational topics to help you live your best life. So grab a cup of tea, get cozy, and let's dive into today's topic, spring cleaning your life. Now, when we think of spring cleaning, we often think of decluttering our physical spaces. But today I want to talk about refreshing your living space in a different way, through DIY decor and design ideas. You see, our living spaces have a profound impact on our overall well-being. They can either inspire and uplift us or drain our energy. So why not take this opportunity to create a space that truly reflects who you are and supports your dreams and goals? One of the first DIY ideas I want to share with you is creating a vision board. This is a powerful tool that can help you visualize your dreams and manifest them into reality. Take some time to gather magazines, quotes, and images that resonate with your goals and aspirations. Then, arrange them on a board or a wall in your living space. Every time you look at it, you'll be reminded of what you're working towards, and it will motivate you to take action. Another idea is to incorporate plants and greenery into your living space. Not only do they add a touch of nature and beauty, but they also purify the air and create a sense of calm and tranquility. You can start small with a few potted plants or go all out with a vertical garden. The choice is yours, but trust me, the positive energy they bring into your space is truly transformative. Now, let's talk about repurposing and upcycling. Instead of throwing away old furniture or decorations, why not give them a new lease on life? Get creative and think outside the box. Maybe that old wooden chair can be transformed into a cozy reading nook, or those mason jars can become stylish candle holders. Not only will you save money, but you'll also have unique pieces that tell a story and add character to your space. As we wrap up today's discussion on refreshing your living space, I want to challenge you to take action. Pick one DIY idea that resonates with you and commit to implementing it in your life. Whether it's creating a vision board, bringing in some greenery, or repurposing old items, remember that small changes can have a big impact. I hope you found today's topic inspiring and helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Soulful Summit for more content like this. And as always, I'd love to hear your thoughts and ideas in the comments below. Remember, your living space is a reflection of your inner world, so let's make it a space that nurtures and supports your growth. Until next time, keep shining your light and living your best life. Take care, my friends,